Meron po ba dito, sir?
Wala po.
Pwede makitabi.
Sister examination for professional teachers. Okay. Well, this is supposed to be taking here for NCR. But I understand that there are those who are also joining us, coming from the other regions. So I know you will be happy if I would say that you are one of the 65,654 passers from the elementary and secondary March left. All right, let's give them a big hand. Okay. Sabi nila ang elementary teachers, mayroong C, compassionate, committed, and caring. They got to, because they're going to get our beginners, di ba? Early childhood, special needs, grade 1, 2, and 3, etc. So they will be the ones to do it. No? Okay? Now let's call on the secondary by yours. Regardless of your specialization, you are supposed to prepare the high school students, K to 12, for their career path, as we said, after high school. They've got to explore, expand their horizons. So let's call on the English majors. Will you please stand? English majors. Okay. So, what is it that you have? Of course, you have the facility of communication. Isn't it? You won't be able to develop, diba, that communication skills among your students if you don't have that confidence in developing the use of the English global language. So congratulations, English majors. Let's call on the Filipino majors. Yan, ang mga makabayan na gagamit ng ating wikang Filipino. Diba? Right. Well, you've got to strengthen the Filipino language because that surely will also strengthen our culture, our understanding of society. You will not be selfish in just using one word. Talagang, di ba ang Pilipino, napakarami, isang salita lang, napakaraming kahulugan. Di ba? At handa kayo na tanggapin, di ba, maging bahagi, no, ng Filipino language, yung mga language o Filipino words na ngayon ay tinatanggap na ng surian ng wikang pambansa. Di ba? Tuwa tayo pag ginagamit yung mga bagong salita, ano? Ano ba yung mga bagong salita niyan? Di ba? Charot. Lang, joke lang. Di ba? Ano ba yun? Yung isa pa? Joke. Amen. Okay. Marami yun eh. Nakikita ko, nakakatuwa, ano? Talagang lumalago ang ating wika. Okay. So, congratulations, Filipino majors. Let's go on the science majors. Science. Okay. Naturally, what is it that you have? Okay. You have the scientific mind, all right? Using as medium observation, experimentation. No? But passers of left, na major in science, for March, you have an edge over the other majors in the past because what we were able to pass is actually two sciences, diba? The biological and physical sciences. You will have more job opportunities since you can carry very well appointments in these two subjects, biology and physical sciences. You will be helping the principal administrators to solve that problem so that the principal will give you only one subject and you cannot handle the other. But in your case, you are ready to handle both physical and biological sciences. So congratulations, science, general science majors. Let's call on the mathematics majors. All right. Well, what is it that you have? Sabi nung isa, nananakot po yun, nakakatakot yun. Because you have the facility for literacy in numbers and problems. No? Kasi ngayon, because math, they said now is a very enjoyable subject. Because you now make use of what? Interactions, not with the board, but interactions with one another. In other words, you are now making fun games, no? Di ba? Yun ang ginagamit nyo for teaching mathematics. So it becomes fun, it becomes enjoyable, and it really looks easy, but not that easy. But you try to really attract the students to love mathematics. No fear for math at that. So congratulations, that's a challenge, mathematics. Now, let's call on science din ito, kaya lang may kasamang social. Alright, social science majors. Social science majors. Okay. Alright. Oo. Kayo raw ay yung makabagong marites. What is it that you are good at? Okay. Magaling kayo sa social issues. Social trends. Past, present, pero hindi kayo magkukonclude, di ba? Kasi sa science, you've got to really prove it. You've got to engage in research, in discussion, di ba? Using varied aspects, no? Sociology, anthropology, psychology, economics, no? World history, past, present, no? That you're armed with that so that you can very well engage in discussion. What's the objective? You have what you call, you are peace bringers, no? Yes, that you're able to really build society. So congratulations, social science major. Then we have the next major, values education majors. Values education. Do you have? All right. Well, what is it that you have? As we always say, you have yourself. Because the best way, isn't it, is to start from you, yourself. No? As you will be able to really help in building oneself, building one's life. As we always say, what life is, and you will help your learners to really give meanings to what is a meaningful life. You have it. Congratulations, values education and education. Now, in the last rep, we have to give two other subjects, MAPE and TLE, because these are two subjects that are needed by our industry. If ever you are a culture and arts major or PE major or TLE, you can apply, you can be accepted because there are subjects that you are really qualified to teach, that is if you pass the list. So may I call on the MAPE majors? MAPE. Okay. All right. So, because these are different subjects, but at the same time, you have to make it integrative. In other words, you've got to come up with a holistic approach, you know that, in teaching MAPE. From head, mental, body, side, appreciation for the arts and culture. Congratulations, MAPE. And TLE, oh, daming competencies nito. Daming nilang skills. Okay? What are these skills? These are skills that are needed. No? Both needed in the growth of our agricultural economy into industrialized no, developed country. So from carpentry, from how do you call that, entrepreneurship, no, all of this you were able to handle. So you're prepared to really develop the human resources needed by our country. So congratulations, passers of the PLE. So regardless of whether you are an elementary teacher or secondary teachers or unit earners, we call you the torchbearers of knowledge and the shapers of future generations. The classroom is not just a place for learning. It is a sanctuary of hope, dreams, and possibilities. As you step into your roles as licensed professional teacher, remember that your influence extends far beyond the lessons you teach. You have the power to inspire, to ignite curiosity, and to cultivate a love for learning that will last a lifetime.
I further solemnly swear that at all times and places I will adhere closely to the ethical standards and professional roles of teachers in the Philippines and in the world, and that I will faithfully discharge to the best of my ability the duties and obligations incumbent upon a legally authorized professional teacher. So help me God. Congratulations, new professional teachers. And to complete the ceremony, will you take out now your LPT pin? Face your seatmates and pin on each other so that you will become witnesses to each other. Congratulations.